If you're looking for an easy way to grow some indoor plants, we may just have a solution for you. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this hydroponics growing system. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and the first thing I'm going to say is, honestly, I love the blue color. Of all the things, I know, I love the blue color. So this has a lot of spaces. One of the nice things about this though is you don't have to fill every space. Like if you wanted to do a little tomato plant, maybe some lettuce on this side, you don't have to fill them all. But if you're doing herbs and things like that, you could fill everyone if you want to. This does not come with any plants or anything like that, so you get to pick what you want. It does come with some plant food. There's plant food A, there's plant food B. It does come with these for growing the plants. Comes with the little domes to put over top of them. We're going to plug it in and show you guys what it looks like. Also comes with an app that's going to tell us a whole bunch of information, which I will show you as well. Okay, we have it plugged in. All of your buttons are on the top right here. Power it on. Look at that. You can also adjust the brightness up there. You can say whether it's vegetation or flowers or things like that. And then your Wi-Fi and stuff like that is up there as well. Because like I said, there is an app for this. So we are going to start some seeds in this. Once it starts growing, you guys will probably see an update video from us. Because, you know, you can't grow plants overnight. Pretty close, yeah. We are. We're going to start some herbs. So we're going to do a couple different things. We're going to do some dill, some basil, some cilantro, and we're going to see just how well they grow in here. One of the other nice things about this is adjustable. So like you're going to want to start it really close to your plants, but then as they're growing, there is a button right over here on the back, and you can go ahead and lift it up, lift it all the way, show them how tall it gets. And it gets that tall. So realistically, if you did want to do lettuce or tomatoes, this would give you more than enough space to do a few different things like that.
And tomatoes could hang. If you,
tomatoes could totally hang, but it gets nice and tall, so you don't have to worry about how big your plants are going to be. I also thought this was pretty cool. So it has the pump and all that down in there, but it has a little filter that you can take out so you can easily clean it so gunk won't get all trapped up in the filter and things like that. That's super nice. It does show you how much water and things like that right out here. Jamie says this filter will also stop the roots from going into the pump, which is really good. You don't want it to do that because that'll jam up your pump.
Because this will fill with roots.
Yep, because it's hydroponic.
Yep, and it'll all be water.
Yeah.
It's got a nice little
That's why I said it's got the see-through so you can see how much water you've put in. There's a max line on here so you know where to fill it.
A little bit more, halfway. There's quite a bit of water.
Yeah, it is. Don't forget to add your plant food. There's really easy instructions on how to mix it for how much water you're putting in it. All right, we have it full of water. I also wanted to show you guys when you need to add water, you can just pull that right out and add water to it, which is nice. Oh, we're going to get a couple seeds out and we're going to put them in here. Oh, they're so little. And then we got the dome lids that are going to go on top of them. Well, I'm so excited to have fresh herbs again. They're so fun to cook with. And I'm not exactly sure when we were supposed to put them on, so we did it now. They got a little hole in the middle. Jamie thinks it's to kind of help keep everything a little bit dark, maybe keep a little bit more warmth underneath there. So,
yep, maybe moss won't grow.
Yeah. So we're going to try that out and see if it works. So the app for this actually has a ton of options. You can actually turn it on and off from this. It's going to show you your planting, your light, your water pump. You can set your lighting cycle schedule inside here. You can set your lighting mode inside here. You can set the luminance of everything inside here. You can even turn the water pump on and off in here and have it set an alarm or have an alarm go off when it needs more water. And there's growth record information in here as well. The app has a ton of features. Ta-da! So it has been 2 weeks and this is what everything looks like in here. It's all growing so well. So yes, 100% this works great. Look at how good everything looks. And as the dill's getting taller, we're able to lift up the light a little bit. I have the timer set so it's not on all the time. My cilantro did not grow, but that's not the fault of this machine. We looked at the date and the seeds were actually quite old. So one of them did, but 3 of them did not. Everything else grew though, so clearly it was not the fault of the unit itself. If you guys are looking for a fun way to grow herbs or little plants inside your house, highly recommend this.